The government have been making promises that is never fulfilled. He will always say, I will pay when the salary or when the finances of the states improve. We've been waiting for that finance to improve, but it appears that it's not going to improve forever. Throughout last year, they pleaded with us to exercise patience that they were going to do something. Until December, nothing happened. We now told them, we put them on notice that if nothing happened this time around, we will take a reprisal the way we know it. So that is what made us to gather this morning, that we are not going to give them breathing space again. The governor will be saying, I'm paying a monthly pension as and when due, whereas gratuity is the main thing. That is the money you give to any existing officer to start a new life. Since he retired from service, the government has not paid a dime. In short, they should come out to say this is the particular person they have paid gratuity to in Edo State. They've not paid gratuity to anybody in the state.
Edo State government don yarn pensioners for the state say make dem cool temper, say government dey committed to solve the gratuity payment matter. Edo State government talk this one through Kruso Osaige, one be the special advisor to Governor Godwin Obaseki for media projects. Kruso Osaige talk say government don show say dem ready as dem don solve two of the problems when pensioners for Edo dey face. E talk say for 2016, when Godwin Obaseki enter as governor, the pension matter for the state get three legs wey be unpaid pension arrears wey reach 4 billion naira, failure to harmonize pension payment, and matter of gratuity when government dey owe. E say out of these three problems, government don solve two and dem dey work hard to solve the last one. E say government don clear the plenty money wey be arrears, implement the contributory pension scheme, and constantly harmonize pension. Kruso Osaige and the pensioners make dem dey patient sake of say government get their welfare for mind and dem go solve their matter sharparly. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na be your power. No say I'm giving a politician on election day.